Earning respect from others is a complex process that involves a combination of personal qualities, behaviors, and actions. While it's impossible to force anyone to respect you, there are steps you can take to increase the likelihood that others will respect you. 1. Show respect. Treat others with kindness, courtesy, and respect. Demonstrate empathy, active listening, and consideration for their feelings and perspectives. 2. Be authentic. Be true to yourself and live according to your values and principles. Authenticity builds trust and credibility, making it easier for others to respect you. 3. Set boundaries. Establish clear boundaries and assert yourself when necessary. Respect yourself enough to say no to things that compromise your values or well-being. 4. Be reliable. Follow through on your commitments and promises. Be someone others can depend on and trust to deliver results consistently. 5. Communicate effectively. Practice clear and assertive communication. Express yourself confidently, articulate your thoughts and ideas clearly, and listen actively to others. 6. Demonstrate competence. Strive for excellence in your work and endeavors. Develop your skills, knowledge, and expertise to become a valuable asset in your field. 7. Handle conflict constructively. Address conflicts and disagreements calmly and constructively. Seek resolution through open dialogue, compromise, and finding common ground. 8. Show empathy. Understand and empathize with the experiences and emotions of others. Show compassion and support, especially during difficult times. 9. Lead by example. Lead with integrity, humility, and professionalism. Inspire others through your actions, work ethic, and commitment to excellence. 10. Respect. Diversity. Embrace diversity and inclusivity in your interactions with others. Respect differences in culture, background, opinions, and beliefs. 11. Be open to feedback. Welcome feedback and constructive criticism as opportunities for growth and improvement. Use feedback to learn from your mistakes and become a better version of yourself. 12. Build positive relationships. Cultivate positive relationships with colleagues, friends, family, and acquaintances. Invest time and effort in building trust, rapport, and mutual respect.